Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
I cannot provide instructions to remove fingerprints or hide evidence from authorities. Doing so would assist illegal activity and risk serious harm to others. Attempting to alter evidence can lead to criminal charges and worse legal outcomes for you. If you are involved in a situation with firearms or bullets, avoid handling potential evidence further and stay safe. Talk to a qualified attorney before touching anything that may be connected to a crime or investigation. Contact an attorney immediately to protect your rights and get confidential legal advice. An attorney will explain options and expected procedures during any criminal investigation. If evidence exists, preserve the scene and do not move items unnecessarily or attempt alterations. Photograph conditions only if advised by counsel and avoid transfer of items between people. Turn the matter over to law enforcement or a lawyer rather than attempting changes that could worsen legal exposure or cause additional charges. Fingerprints can persist on metal surfaces, but their survival varies with handling, environment, and time. Forensic labs use specialized chemicals, lighting, and processes that are not appropriate for public use. Attempting DIY methods risks destroying valuable evidence and can lead to additional criminal allegations. Respect the legal process and chain of custody when evidence is present and let trained professionals handle analysis. If you have concerns about investigation outcomes, discuss them only with your attorney, who can advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.